will forever shine.
All right. So good evening, everyone. It's a wonderful Friday evening, and it's me, Nina Cordon, your corporate pharmacist from Davao City, and of course,
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm James Reynosa all the way here from Makati office. Hello!
ayan. So James,
Asang
kamusta
energy,
yung
no?
energetic, no? So James, kamusta
Yes.
yung weather? Kasi dito sa Davao talagang laging umulan, especially during hapon at gabi. So kamusta naman dyan tayo sa Makati?
Actually, dito rin niya, no, medyo maulan rin sa gabi and medyo makulimlim rin. Kaya, alam mo yun, sarap matulog.
Pero bawal talaga matulog yung mga ano no, yung mga distributors natin. Hindi naman
Yes,
hindi
correct.
bawal, hindi sa bawal, but there's a non-stop of promoting our products, the
Yes,
business opportunity. Kaya ngayon yung topic natin, no, for
correct.
tonight.
Oo.
And so actually we
Yan.
just launched our nutrition packs last business summit. And this is a great way para ma-share natin ang USANA and the products sa mga kaibigan natin, no, sa mga loved ones, and those people that we will meet along the way. And eto, James, would you agree na tayo mga pharmacists, may mga email inquiries tayo or messages asking kung ano ba yung mga products para sa for this certain need, or if may mga targeted needs ba tayo sa health natin. Nakakatanggap ka ba ng mga ganun?
Actually, madalas niya, no? Pag may mga pupuntang associates sa atin, especially pag nasa office ako. Sir James, may mga itatanong kami, no? But the good thing with that is meron tayo niyan. Meron tayong
Mhm.
mga high quality products, no? Na nakikater sa mga different segment ng market and sa mga different health needs, no?
And
Good thing
yes,
yan sa atin.
totoo yan, James. Kaya nga we made it easier for them na ma-share yung mga products na to. Kasi they don't need to look on or to go through the product brochure tapos iisa-isahin nila yung product at i-explain yun. Parang tedious eh. Masyado siyang mahirap for some associates, especially those sa mga bago pa. So that's why we have bundled them up, yung mga products natin, para madaling ma-introduce at madaling ma-share. And we have those different packs. And ito yung magiging topic natin for the rest of our Wellness Weekend Talk, no, in the coming weeks. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin so that they will have an idea kung ano ba yung meron dito sa nutrition packs natin. Tama ba,
Yes,
James?
correct. Oo, tama ka dyan. And also niya, no, remind ko lang sila ulit, kagaya nung sinabi natin nung business summit, no, pwede nila itong ipang-enroll and pwede na lang ito i-set up as an auto-order.
Oh,
Diba? Ganun,
yun.
ganun siya kaganda. Diba? So,
Madali
hindi
lang.
ka na magkakalkal or kung magbabrowse pa doon sa ating app, diba? Or sa ating website. Search nyo lang yung ating mga wellness pack or the nutrition packs na lalabas na sila doon.
Yes.
Right?
Kaya ngayon, no? So, our first wellness pack, or I mean the nutrition pack that we're gonna talk about tonight is our basic wellness pack.
Yes.
Before we could talk
Yeah.
about those products, alamin muna natin kung ano ba yung wellness. Kasi, di ba? It's
Yes. So,
our topic.
So before tayo dun mag-proceed sa ating basic wellness pack, alamin muna natin kung ano ba yung wellness, no? Sabi dito, wellness is an act practicing healthy habits on a daily basis, no, para ma-attain natin yung better physical and mental outcomes so that imbis na we're just surviving, dapat tayo yung magta-thrive or we are thriving, no? Yung tinatawag nila. And sa wellness kasi we have 6 dimensions, no? Ayan. And sabi rin dito, wellness is about more than just a physical health. And most model na ginagamit natin sa wellness is yung 6 dimension. Number 1 is the physical. When we say physical wellness, dapat this is the nourishing a healthy body through exercise, nutrition, sleep, and other wellness na para makapag-cope up yung ating katawan. Next dimension is the mental. Now, when we say mental wellness kasi, we need to engage the world through learning, problem solving, and creativity. Next dimension naman is the emotion. No? When we say emotion, dapat we are aware, no, or being aware of accepting and expressing our feelings and understanding the feelings of others, no? Yun yung tinatawag nating emotional wellness. Next is the spiritual. One of the important dimension ng wellness is the spiritual. Searching for meaning and higher purpose in human existence. Next is the social dimension of wellness. Ito naman yung when we say social kasi connecting and engaging with other and dun sa ating communities in a meaningful way, kumbaga. And lastly, yung ating environmental dimension ng wellness. This is fostering positive interrelationship between planetary health and human action, choice, and well-being. So yan yung 6 dimensions na kailangan natin para masabi natin na healthy yung ating life and wellness. Ayan.
Ayun. So, kasi dito sa Yusana, I would totally agree with you, James. We promote holistic health na hindi lang
Yes,
isang
correct.
aspect ng life natin yung binibigyan or tinututukan natin na binibigyan pansin, but everything, all things, kasi yun naman talaga. It's all about balance to everything, to all aspect of life. And that's why in Yusana, we have here our newest pack, which is our basic wellness pack. So pag sinabi kasi natin basic wellness pack, most likely ito yung pinakakailangan talaga, yung kung i-introduce mo yung Yusana to your friends or loved ones, ito talaga yung una mong i-introduce. Kasi nga naman, syempre, it's foundational. The things that you need on a daily basis, ito yun. Alright? So our basic wellness pack includes supplements designed for overall health and vitality. So part siya ng daily routine mo. And at the same time, it would help you with your energy, kasi we want to be energetic, kasi ang dami natin gustong gawin. And actually, we have 3 products for this basic wellness pack. So if you're gonna see here, nandito yung Essentials, Policy, and Probiotic. And we will discuss each of the product here, para naman magkaroon kayo ng idea how you could share it. Okay? So let's begin with Essential Nutrition. So take it away, James.
Yeah, so this is the flagship product ng ating company, which is the Yusana,
Yes.
The Essentials, Siya yung number 1 optimizer ng ating company, yung Yusana. This is a cellular nutrition system, includes 2 advanced nutritional supplement, which is the core minerals and the Vita antioxidant, which is alam naman natin yung function ng Essentials. And together, they deliver a broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant, and additional nutrients for comprehensive support ng ating long-term health. And alam rin naman natin na ang Essentials is complete pack. Meron siyang 13 multivitamins, 11 essential minerals, and 11 antioxidant, and other ingredients. Ganun ka-effective and ganun ka-efficiency Essentials, Ayan.
Ayun. So that's our flagship product. And eto lang, trivia lang din, James.
Yes.
Some associates would ask me na, Ninya, bakit dalawa kasi? Pwede naman baka pwedeng gawin na lang isang tablet. But actually, sa sobrang dami ng laman ng Essentials natin, you cannot just put it in one tablet. Kasi magiging kasing laki yan ng golf ball. So, di ba, imagine a golf ball, swallowing it. Matachoke ka pa. Kakapahamak mo pa yan. So, kaya kailangan dalawa. Para magkasya lahat ng mga ingredients na nandyan.
Yes, tama.
Trivia lang. Anyway, for the second product under Basic Wellness Pack, we have our Poly-C. So, this is Yusana's proprietary blend of vitamin C. So, what's unique about our vitamin C? Kasi if you're gonna look doon sa different brands in the market, ang dami-daming vitamin C. Like, siguro ito yung pinakamarami. Okay, so vitamin C talaga. But what's unique about Poly-C is in mineral ascorbate formulation of calcium, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. So, ibig sabihin, it's kind of friendly sa stomach. Kasi some people, if they're gonna take the plain ascorbic acid, the acidic one, the acidic form, nagkakaroon ng reaction. Okay, so ito yung advantage ng ating Poly-C. And this kind of mixture is shown to increase and maintain higher levels ng vitamin C sa blood compared with ascorbic acid alone. So, mas mataas yung absorbability niya, in which hindi masyadong common yan sa ating standalone vitamin C since it is a water-soluble vitamin. Madali siyang ma-eliminate. And what's good about vitamin C, is the master antioxidant. So, hindi dapat mawala sa supplement mo or even sa diet mo yung vitamin C eh. Because, one thing, it helps your body use iron. Another is it supports collagen synthesis. So if you want strong, healthy, youthful skin, then vitamin C is for you. Another, it supports immune function, especially ngayon maulan, 'di ba? Talagang uso yung, alam mo na, no? Talagang kailangan ng extra protection, and vitamin C is for you. And of course, it's good for the eyes, for the joints, for the cartilage, and many more. So yun yung maganda sa ating policy. The second, the third product under this basic wellness pack is our USANA probiotic. So this is your support for healthy digestion and immune function. So hindi lang siya to provide us with good bacteria, but it solidifies our gut protection. Because if you have a strong gut, it's not easy for the pathogens to enter your circulatory system. So meron kang extra protection dyan. That's why you can have strong immune system. And our USANA probiotic has Lactobacillus rhamnosus and B. animalis, two active strain of good bacteria. And studies show that what we need on a daily basis is 1 billion CFU lang. But USANA will give you with 12 billion colony-forming units of good bacteria. It's more than what you need, guys, diba? So that's good. No, it's very good. Kumbaga. And those products, Cell Essentials, Policy, and USANA probiotic, those are the 3 products that you can get from our basic wellness pack. And James, diba sabi natin, it could help us with the auto order. So, encourage them to add this to their auto order.
Yes, ayan, you can place it as an auto order, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? And just search it yung basic wellness pack natin and lalabas na siya doon, no? And
Yes.
actually, complete package na siya, di ba, Ninya? Wala ka nang hahanapin doon sa ating basic wellness pack. And for the other episode ng ating Wellness Weekend Talk, na i-discuss naman natin next week and the next other episode yung mga, or ano pa yung mga nutritions under nung ating, or yung mga pack under nung ating nutrition pack, di ba, Ninya?
Yes.
Yan. So, but before tayo mag-end, no, mag-a-announce lang ako, ito very, very soon, di ba? Yung ating road show, yan, save the date sa ating road show sa Quezon Province this coming August 3, no, sa Queen Margaret Hotel. Kasama natin dyan si Diamond Director Lawrence Arseno. And magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Kasama po ako dyan. Next.
Hey.
Yan. Next road show natin is sa Batangas po naman, no, sa Aquamarine Recreational Center this coming August 11. Sunday po yan. And kasama natin si 2-star Diamond Director Mr. Ryan Tan. Ayan, save the date. Kasama rin po ako dyan. And the marketing team. Sales and marketing team. Ayan, niya nakikita mo ba itong background natin?
Siyempre, kasi background ko din yan.
Nakikita mo ba yung background natin? Ayan. Diba? So, kaya po yan ang background namin is we invite Jayden, no, to announce some announcement and sa mga nangyayari na sa ating 28 days fat loss challenge. Ayan, hello Jayden.
Hello guys, hello everyone. So just a few announcements. Congratulations for everyone who are still taking on the challenge. We are on our 2nd week of our 28-day fat loss challenge, about to be our 3rd week, which is very important because we will have our next and final posting, social media posting next week, which is the My Diet Tip. So, ready na niya ang mga post ninyo, whether it's a picture, basta kasama po USANA product, picture, video, whether it's on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. And please do not forget to submit this on our Google form link, which we have posted in our Viber community. So, konti na lang guys. Kailan ba yun? August 5 to 10 na po ang final weigh-in period po natin. So, we hope na everyone also doesn't forget to submit their final weigh-in para rin po, valid po ang lahat ng na-lose natin, syempre, because we want to promote this contest to promote better health, and what better way so that we can see and validate your progress from your entire fat loss journey. So, see you guys there and good luck pa. Last few weeks, halfway there. We're halfway there, guys.
Yan. Thank you so much, Jayden.
Siya po yung kulitin ninyo pag about sa fat loss.
Si Jaden,
Oo,
no?
si Jaden po yun. At lalaki po siya, hindi siya babae. Okay?
Si Jaden ang punong abala sa atin when it comes to fat loss, di ba? Ayan,
Hmm.
so thank you again, Jaden. And that's it for this episode. No? Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching the Wellness We Can Talk with Pharmacist.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
everyone. See
Yan,
you
bye
next
everyone.